Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best Kraken security practices. So let's quickly dive into it. If you're using Kraken, keeping your account secure should be your first priority. Start by enabling 2FA with an authenticator app. Never SMS to protect login and trading actions. Turn on global settings lock like GSL so no one can change your account settings without your master key. This alone block most common attack. Next, set up a withdrawal waitlist. This lock withdrawal to your approved address only, which make it almost impossible for someone to deal or steal your crypto even if they got in. Always use unique, strong password and avoid reusing password across apps, and this makes sure you enable email confirmation for withdrawal to every move require your approvals. On the app, enable Face ID or fingerprint login plus alert for login, new device or withdrawal attempt. Stay away from public Wi-Fi while trading. Keep your device updated and never share your API key unless absolutely necessary, and if you use them, set them to read only. And if this helped, hit the subscribe, hit the subscribe button for more quick crypto safety tips, and let me know which exchange you want covered next. And that's it.